Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Discord without their username. So basically, if you want to add someone, you need their username, and if you don't have it, basically you can't add them. But there's a workaround, but this is just for a chance, so it might not work for you and it might not work for others. So first what you want to do is explore, click on this one, the explore discoverable servers. So I suggest that you look into like the bot servers. Let's say this one. Oh, wait. Here. Like the MEE6 support. So since basically they have bots and their like own servers and stuff. So if you add this bot to your server, it will automatically invite you to that bot server, or like the Mid-Journey bot. Here on the Mid-Journey, like if you add this bot to your server, it will add you to their server. So you can try to find them here if they are here. So of course it's by chance, and if they're not there, you could just go to check here again. So let's go back and let's check for the ME6. You could also check them there since they have tons of like members and stuff. So as you can see, there are tons, like thousands of members here. So you could try and search them here, since when you add the music spot, they get automatically added here and stuff. So you could just go search till you can find them and stuff. But if it doesn't work for you, then unfortunately there's no other way you can find them or add them. So but if you have found them, you just need to right click on their profile right here and just need to go and send a friend request. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.